to enter, submit. Once I click on age, I'm not implemented. I want to display second page, girlfriend page. For that, first what is required? A form is required. Create the form. GF form. Completed. Give the girlfriend name. Forms dot character field. Forms.py. This is the form. It will forwarded by views.py. Within the views, I have to write the code. Go to the views. Now, def girlfriend view. Inside first argument is request. I have to read the age. How to read the age? Request dot. What is the method? Get of age. Square brackets. Get of age. Now, add this to the session. Request dot session of key age equal to value age. Already we add the session name. How to read the data from the session? Request dot session of name stored into a variable name. Now, what to do? Create object for form class. What is the form name? DF form parenthesis. Come to here, comma, GF form class. Once object is ready, return render. Return render request str one more HTML. gf.html. Form name. Age I don't want. This is the next view. Is the view. ఇప్పుడు what is required? HTML file is required. So yesterday continuation. Next HTML file code. HTML file. Okay. Go to this. Right click. Take one HTML. gf.html. Inside take the HTML. Inside body. h1 tag. I want to provide it. Hello. Curling brace, name, comma. Provide the girlfriend name. Now I have to provide a form. Action equal to empty. Method equal to get method. Without attribute, it is the get method. inside I have to provide a curling brace, form dot as underscore p. Compulsory Django form కాబట్టి you have to provide CSRF token. Now, one button is required. The type is submit. The value is enter girlfriend name. Enter a submit. Submit. ఇదే HTML కోడ్. దీనికి ఒక URL. Go to URLs. Give the URL pattern is GF. Views.gfu. This URL pattern you have to provide at which page? age.html/gf. Come to here. Back. Refresh. Enter name. Submit. Enter age. Submit. Hello Mahesh, provide your girlfriend name. Whenever provide, now finally I want to read this display to the results.html. That is the main thing. How to display to the results.html page? View is the responsible to read all the data from the session and text box. So finally the last view, results view. Def results underscore view. First argument is request. How to get the girlfriend name? Request dot get, because from the text box I want to read name GF stored into variable GF. Now how to take the assigning value? Request dot session of girlfriend equal to assign the value girlfriend. How to read the data from name and age? Request dot session of name stored into variable name. Next, age equal to request dot session of age I can provided there. Now, return render inside first argument is request comma test app slash results dot HTML. So here what can I pass? I'm not passing anything. We are not passing anything, but still how to display in the results page? Generally the dictionary we are passing. I'm not passing. I want to access result.html. How to access? వచ్చావా చూడలేదా నిన్ను ఏంటి బిజీగా ఉన్నావు 2 రోజుల నుంచి Now anyone tell how to display that data in the results.html file? Because in views I'm not passing any values, but I want to still display in results.html file all the data. In the final, it is responsible to display. How? Girlfriend we provided here. Name is already there. And how to display the data in results.html file? Hmm. Request.session. So take the one HTML file, right click, new file, request.html, sorry, results.html. Take the HTML, come to the body. Now curling brace, percentage. If request.session, if any data is available into your session, h1 tag, thanks for providing information. Please confirm once. Now, unordered list. Yeah. How to read the data from the session? Session is a dictionary. In the dictionary, key value pairs are there. I want to read left side keys, right side values. How to read the data from the dictionary? For each key, comma, value in where request dot session dot items. Then we are reading key value pairs. List of element. First list of element is K, key. What is the meaning of this pipe symbol? Filter. We can go with uppercase. Now, curling brace. Again, curling brace. We have to provide a value. Pipe symbol. Title case. Keys uppercases, values are title cases I can provide it. All the every key will provided. Close the for loop. End for loop. Unordered list. Suppose as a session lo data is not available there. Go with else if you want to provide that h1 tag. Sorry boss, no information available there. దీనికి ఒక URL pattern. Results results view. వస్తుందా? Go to the geo page, action, results. See the server. ఎక్కడో పోయింది. ఏమైంది? URLs. Views. See the server. Server restarted. Fine. Now, first provided with the name, enter name, submit, enter age, submit, enter girlfriend, submit. Point bond. Else if. ఇక్కడ పోయింది ఎల్సిఫ్ ఎందుకు ఓహో సారీ ఎల్సిఫ్ కాదు కదా ఎండిఫ్ Did you forget to register load this page? Now, మళ్ళీ స్టార్ట్ ఎంటర్ నేమ్ ఎంటర్ ఏజ్ ఎంటర్ గర్ల్ ఫ్రెండ్ సబ్మిట్ ఇదిగోండి థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ప్లీజ్ కన్ఫర్మ్ వన్స్ నేమ్స్ ఆర్ అప్పర్ కేసెస్ దిస్ వాల్యూస్ ఆర్ ప్రొవైడ్ టైటిల్ కేసెస్ 2 words ఆర్ దేర్ ఫస్ట్ కేస్ అప్పర్ దిస్ మళ్ళీ ఇదేంటి మీ దెబ్బకి అది ఇక్కడ ఇవ్వాల్సింది ఎల్స్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఎల్స్ ఇక్కడ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఎండ్ ఇఫ్ సరే వేరే now so now name enter name submit age now submit put thanks for providing information please confirm once a name age and okay now well information లేకపోతే now else block will be executed sir ఇది code of the results.html file లో that is the yesterday cinema got completed today So next one we completed cart application with session API. I have to display one form, add the name and quantity of the books, and I want to display the items, those things. So previously by using cookies we completed. Same thing. What I was doing is stop this server cd dot dot cd Django 10th February cd session project Django hyphen admin start project session project 7 cd session project 7 py manage.py start app test app. So we have to do with the cart application with session API. How to display form, those things I will tell. Adding data, those things you have to try. First, project is ready, application is ready. Add application in settings.py. Make migrations and migrate because of session table is required. I created one forms to add the books to the session. Come to this session project 7. Go to the settings. Inside installed apps, test app. Here compulsory py manage.py. Make migrations. No changes detected. Migrate. I want session table. Table created. Come to here. First, I want to display one form to the end user to add the items to the cart. So form is not there. Create your file forms.py file. Inside from Django is the library. Import uh, import forms is the module. Class add item form. Inside module name dot the class name is form. I have two variables are there name forms dot character field. Next one quantity forms dot integer field. That is the forms. Now view is the responsible to display form to the end user. So views.py, go to the views. Def, I can provided add item view. Inside request is the argument. Now create object for your class. Add item form is the class object got created. But it is available in from test app forms import add item form return render is the function. First argument is request test app slash add item dot html. Create one dictionary form with value form. Either views. It will display one empty form to the end user. ఇప్పుడు one HTML file is required. Add item.html. Multi-value dict key error at age name. How to solve this type of error, sir? We have to see the code, then only I will tell how to solve that one. You have provided two values. Single dictionary, same key provided. That is the meaning of multi-dict key error. You have to I want to see the code. Then only I will give the solution. Otherwise, no chance. You can change URL pattern in HTML file. In the action, you can use slash age only. You are given slash age slash. After age, you can remove the slash. Then it will resolve. So now HTML file, okay. This HTML file, project, folder, templates. Right click, test app. Inside test app, file, add item.html file. We have to write HTML code. But Django don't know about that one. Create a variable, template underscore dir, base dir slash templates. This dir you can give to the inside templates within the dirs you can provide. Come to your HTML code. Here we go with getbootstrap.com. Here you need to copy CSS link. Copy that. Come here. Inside title you can paste. I want to provide that here body law. Division. Alignment equal to center. I have to provided h1 tag. Add item form. Then URL you have to define. Add is the URL pattern. Views dot add item view from test app import views. Start the server. Py manage.py run server. Copy this, come to here, paste this, add. Yes, add item form came. Form is not displayed. Go to HTML page. Inside this one, take the form tag. Class action not required. Method equal to post curling brace form dot as underscore p. Now refresh. రాలేదు. క్యాపిటల్ పి పడింది ఏంటిది? ఇదిగో నేమ్ quantity came. One button is required for this. Take the input, submit. Value is add item. One button will be added. Add item will be added there. If you want to display the items, I want to display one more anchor tag I want to display. Here I want to display the items. Whatever items you have provided, that items I want to display. If you want to add. If you want to click on display, you can display the items into the page. That code you have to write it. Instead I have to provided class. ఏదో క్లాస్ ఇవ్వండి దానిలోవి btn హైఫన్ ప్రైమరీ లార్జ్ బటన్ రీఫ్రెష్. ఇంకోండి ఇప్పుడు ఇఫ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు గివ్ ద నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ద పైథాన్ quantity 12. If you want to click on add, you want to add CSRF token. ఇవ్వలేదా? percentage CSRF underscore token. Now refresh. పోయింది మళ్ళీ ఏదో అయింది దీనికి. We have to provided Python books 12 add done. You can add 3 4. After that click on display. Present and displaying hash symbol. You want to read from session, but before that you have to add the session and we have to provided display items. Idi you can continue next one. Once I click on submit button, it is the post requester, get requester, post request. So you can create one session API, add a name and quantity. At the time of display, you can write one function, read the values, display to the display HTML dot page. That you can complete it. Remaining scenario. So next you have to write views.py. How to create the session. In views, how to set the session, how to read the data from the form. How to set session. Once I enter the data here, I'm entering Python and I have to enter the data. How to read this data? And create one session. How to read the data from the form? ఎలా రీడ్ చేయాలి? If already session is there, then I can use request dot session of name. Session లేదు కదా. But how to read data from the form? Clean method. Once I'm clicking on display, sorry, add item, which request it is a post. So request dot post of name. Name will coming. Up to now, how you are reading from the name, what we are using request dot get of gf. Same ఇప్పుడు post కాబట్టి request dot post of name. Request dot post of quantity. Set the session. So in the views, add item here, if the request dot method equal to post అయితే then only it will be executed. Otherwise empty form will be displayed to the end user. Name I want to read. How to read the name? Request dot post. Previous get, because I'm not proud any attribute. That's why you have to decide get a post. Once you get clarity, read that one. Then quantity equal to request dot post of, what is the variable? Quantity. How to set the session? Request dot session of, what is the key? Name. What is the value? Quantity. That is the way. Name is the key. Python. Quantity 12 books, that is the value. Key value pairs added to the dictionary. That is the code we have to write. ఇదే కోడ్. ఇప్పుడు one more we have to create for the display purpose. What is the view? A display code you have to write, okay? Just now I'm written a results, same def display underscore items underscore view inside request. Here we are not doing anything, just I want to send HTML return. How previously? Results file same request test app slash display items.html. Fine. ఈ HTML లో write the code. What is the code we have to write? Previous గా రాసాం కదా, సేమ్ కోడ్. If request dot session read key value pairs, display in the table format. Otherwise, no items in the your cart. That is, you can complete it. So you have to write the display code and check it. Display code same as it is previous results code only. If request dot session create one table, item name quantity. For key value pairs in the request dot session dot items, display the key value pairs. That code you can try. Yeah, same page data also possible. If it is the get method, we can use that one now. Once we submitted post method, by using this, we have to read the data. If request dot method equal get, we call in add item dot html. No, because the HTML form I am providing method equal to post. If you are using get in this, if you use the get, then your code is okay, fine. Slow HTML page. Finally, in the HTML, right click, new file, display items.html, HTML code. Inside, you have to write your code. H1, the cart of items. So, దీనికి one URL is required. Display items view. This URL you have to provide it into where instead of hash symbol, give that one. Save this. Server started. Now click on this. If you want to click, the cart of items will be displayed. ఇక్కడ table format లో you can display. How to display that one? That code you have to write. How to write it? You can create one table. Within the table, item name and quantity you can display. రాస్తారా దట్ కోడ్ రాయండి. Percentage what we have to write? If request dot session, if it is available there, create one table. Border 2 or 3 pixels you can take. First table head, insert th, item name. Next quantity you can display. After that, read each and every value. How? For key comma value in where request dot session dot items. Just now we are written first table row, first table data, curling brace, key, second table data, curling brace, value available there. After table row, end for loop. End for after a table, else, because if a session does not contain any data, then you have to display one message, paragraph tag. No items in your shopping cart. Come outside this curling brace, and if చూద్దాం ఇప్పుడు. Now this is the first page ad. Now display the cart of items, item name, quantity. ఉన్నాయి అనుకుంటాయో. యాడ్ సారీ యాడ్ పైథాన్ 12, Django 15, Java display items. Python, Django, Java and C items are came. అది పరిస్థితి ఆఫ్ ఇండియా. ఇది డిస్ప్లే, ఇది యాడ్ ఐటమ్ డాట్ HTML. బాడీ div form, one add item, one display button displayed. Who is asking add item dot HTML? Supraja. This is the file of add item dot HTML file. Add item, one form, empty form displayed, bottom one display item will be displayed. Sir, అది complete story about session management, cookies and session framework. Already I'm telling how to upload the images. You can take images, one folder, static folder. Whatever image you want to take, insert that image. Take one folder, how template CSS, inside images folder, inside whatever image you want, take that image. By using img tag, you can insert that image. Harshad. So that is the story of session management. Totally 8 topics are completed. Inka 6 are there. Authentication, authorization, ORM, ఇంకేమున్నాయి middleware, deployment, advanced models, ఇంకోటి ఏదో ఉంటుంది. Do you know about these questions, Django? Interview questions. 30 questions are there. ఇందులో ఏం తెలుసు మనకి? లాస్ట్లో ఐ విల్ గివ్ ఆల్ దీస్ క్వశ్చన్స్. కనీసం ఈ క్వశ్చన్లన్నీ చదువుకొని వెళ్ళండి ఇంటర్వ్యూకి. సరే బాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్, ఎంజాయ్. టుమారో ఆన్వర్డ్స్ హాలిడేస్. నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ ఈజ్ ఆన్ సేమ్ నెక్స్ట్ ట్యూస్డే. 15th is our next class. Next class Tuesday, Vivek. Next 15th na class is there, our class. Enjoy everyone. Happy Dasara. फिर मिलेंगे next week. Bye bye everyone.